Living in Gilbert, homeowners know that hot summers and mild winters can lead to higher utility bills if a home isn't energy efficient. One of the smartest ways to lower monthly energy costs while enhancing the look of your home is by installing slider windows. These windows are not only stylish and easy to use but also designed to maximize energy efficiency, helping you save money year after year. Why slider windows make a difference? Slider windows, also known as gliding windows, open horizontally along a track. Their simple design allows for a large glass area that lets in natural light while still maintaining a tight seal when closed. Unlike older, drafty windows, modern slider windows are engineered to reduce air leakage and insulate your home more effectively. In Gilbert, where air conditioning is essential for much of the year, even small improvements in insulation can make a big impact on energy use. By minimizing drafts and preventing cool air from escaping, slider windows can reduce the strain on your HVAC system, which directly translates into lower electricity bills. Energy-efficient features of slider windows. Today's slider windows come with advanced features designed to optimize energy savings. Double or triple glazing. Multiple panes of glass with insulating gas in between slow down heat transfer, keeping cool air inside during summer and warm air inside during winter. Low E coatings. These invisible coatings reflect heat away from your home while still allowing natural light to pass through. In Gilbert's sunny climate, this means less heat gain without sacrificing brightness. Durable weather stripping. A tight seal prevents unwanted drafts, one of the leading causes of wasted energy in older windows. Energy Star certification. Many modern slider windows meet strict efficiency standards, ensuring you get the maximum return on your investment. How slider windows lower your utility bills. Reduced cooling costs. In Gilbert's desert heat, air conditioning is often the biggest contributor to utility bills. Slider windows help trap cooled air inside and block hot outdoor air from entering. This reduces the amount of time your AC needs to run, cutting down on electricity costs. Better natural lighting. Because slider windows have wide, unobstructed glass panes, they allow plenty of daylight to brighten your home. With more natural light, you'll use less artificial lighting during the day, saving money on electricity. Improved ventilation. On cooler days, you can easily slide the window open to let in fresh air instead of relying on fans or air conditioning. This natural ventilation is an often overlooked way to reduce energy use while enjoying Gilbert's pleasant evening breezes. Long-term savings and added value. While installing slider windows requires an upfront investment, the long-term savings on energy bills can quickly add up. Homeowners often find that these windows pay for themselves within a few years. Beyond financial savings, slider windows also increase property value by improving curb appeal and making your home more attractive to energy-conscious buyers. Additionally, many utility companies in Arizona offer rebates or incentives for upgrading to energy-efficient windows. Taking advantage of these programs can further reduce your initial costs. Tips for maximizing your savings. Choose professional installation. Even the best window won't perform well if it's not installed correctly. A professional ensures proper sealing and alignment. Select the right frame material. Vinyl and fiberglass frames offer excellent insulation and durability in Gilbert's climate. Pair with other energy upgrades. Combine slider windows with energy-efficient doors, added insulation, or smart thermostats for even greater savings. Final thoughts. If you're looking to cut down on monthly utility costs while enjoying a modern, stylish upgrade to your home, slider windows are a smart choice. In a place like Gilbert, where energy use is a year-round concern, these windows provide comfort, efficiency, and long-term financial benefits. By investing in slider windows, you're not only saving money but also making your home more sustainable and enjoyable for years to come.